All right, the electricity is not on and the space is very dark, so I'm not sure how good this video is going to come out in terms of quality, but this is standing at what would be the front door. It's very broken up, so this walk might get confusing. So coming in the front door, there's a door to the parking lot where you saw my truck when we did the walk around. Down a hallway here, these walls do not go floor to ceiling on this side, so they're removable and non-load bearing. In this back area, there's 2 rooms. This room is probably 8 by 8, maybe 6 by 8. The room to the right is the bathroom. Pretty large bathroom space. And then the end of the hallway had this kind of open area here. Gonna walk back down this. You're gonna see the front door where we came in. The paint on the flooring is bubbling up. I assume you would put something over it or remove it altogether. There's that front door where we came in at. Space opens up to a large hallway here. This little cubby back behind, these walls do go floor to ceiling, could possibly be load bearing. You would need a structural engineer to tell you that. Down this hallway, another short hall into what would be the kitchen area. There's a lot of industrial kitchen equipment back here. Walk-in fridges, deep fryers, griddles, all the things that would need to be removed, possibly sold. I don't know what the market looks like for that. I don't know if that's paint or something spilled on the floor back there. Tough to say. This is that kind of blocked off little space that if this were a restaurant would be like a serving counter. It's probably about 5 feet wide back there, probably 14 feet in length. Turn around again. Again, here's that where the kitchen area would have been. Going to the back door, there's another wall here, probably load bearing. Looks like it's got some HVAC systems in it. Back where the washing station and sink would be. This is a pretty large area. There's 2 giant cooking waste and fresh oil containers here that would have to be removed. Electrical control panels for probably an alarm system there. And then the space actually continues back to this scary dark cave. Again, no lighting, so can't really show you much more than that. This is back out to that patio area that I showed you inside the formerly fenced area. There's a storage of some sort back here. But the door was broken on. It looks to be, I don't know, 14 feet by 4 feet or so. And then I'm not certain where that door goes, but obviously there's another room of some sort back here. See if I can give you another shot of the roof. You can see that the roof is pretty heavily damaged, shingles missing here. I'm obviously going to need an inspector to come out and tell you how much of this is salvageable or not.